Are you a freelancer or gig worker trying to navigate the complex world of taxes? If so, you're not alone. As a self-employed individual, understanding your tax obligations and maximizing your deductions and credits is essential for maximizing your tax bill and minimizing your earnings. This video will provide you with the knowledge you need to maximize your earnings and minimize your tax liability. And if you stay until the end, I will give you my number one strategy for growing your business. Now let's get after it. Understand the self-employment tax and estimated tax payments. Freelancers and gig workers are so responsible for paying self-employment tax. I know you might think you're out there, you're on your own, and you're free, but there is a price to pay for that. That self-employment tax covers Social Security and Medicare contributions. You should also understand how to calculate your estimated tax payments to avoid penalties and interest from being underpaid and getting letters from the IRS. Keeping track of income and expenses and consulting with a professional can really help you with your taxes. Determine which tax forms you need to file. When you are a freelancer or a gig worker, you must file taxes using the appropriate forms. For example, you probably were given a 1099 NEC or 1099 miscellaneous from the person who paid you if you received over $600. They also need to understand you have to file Schedule C, which reports this income on your return. You need to understand which forms that you need to utilize. Keep accurate records of your income and expenses. It's essential for freelancers and gig workers to keep detailed records of their income and expenses. Don't wait to get a 1099 at the end of the year. It's your responsibility to keep up with it. This includes tracking invoices, receipts, and keeping your bank statements. They all provide evidence of your business-related transactions. Learn about deductions and credits available to you as a freelancer or gig worker. There are several deductions and credits that are available to you that you can take advantage of. There's a home office. There's equipment purchase. There's business travel. There's your utilization of your vehicle. All of these things can help you reduce your taxes. Freelancers and gig workers should research which deductions and credits they qualify for to reduce their tax liability and really identify the deductions that are applicable to you. That's so important. And the reason why I want you to understand why this is so important, because many of you, this is your first time being out on your own. And many of you still have that mentality that you are an employee, but you are not. And there's so many taxes that are going to come at you that you need to pay. There's federal income tax, there's state income tax, there's Social Security tax, and that Social Security tax is 15.3%. So understanding all of your deductions is mission critical to make sure that you don't get plummeted with income taxes and give up on your dream of really getting your business off the ground. Now, I told you that if you stuck with me to the end, that I would give you my number one strategy to help you grow your business. And my number one strategy is this. As a business owner, we are so busy working in our business. For example, I'm a tax professional, so I'm busy doing tax preparation or helping people with their accounting. But I really need to take a step out of my business and work on my business. And the best thing you can do is allocate 4 hours a week to working on your business in sales and marketing. Whether you think you're a salesperson or not, every business owner needs to have sales skills. And you got to make sure you're putting energy into your sales and marketing so that you can continue to grow your business. And the reason why I say 4 hours a week is because when you're starting out as a business owner, you are the salesperson, you are the marketing person, and being able to set aside that time is critical. If you can do 4 hours a day, that would be even better. But as as you're starting to grow your business, you have to actually allocate time to sales and marketing. You have to allocate time to treasury, accounting, and keeping your books and records together. You have to allocate time to legalities of your business. You have to allocate time to building the technology to help your business grow. And when you do that, you're going to find that your business is going to skyrocket. It is really going to grow. You got to take time to get off the conveyor belt of working in your business, get out and work on your business, and setting aside that time weekly, daily, the same time, every time, and being disciplined about that is going to lower your taxes, going to keep you in compliance, going to help your business grow, and it's going to make you a happier person. But here's the thing, when you know better, you have to do better. That's why I want you to like, I want you to comment, and I want you to subscribe. And when you do, I promise I will keep you updated on all things business and tax. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. I also want to introduce you to a program that I have called Tax Pro Grow. Why? Because you may be looking for a side hustle, you may be looking for a business to run, you may be looking for some extra cash, or you just might be concerned about this whole recession thing, or somebody giving you a pink slip. Well, Tax Pro Grow could potentially be your answer, because it's a business that you can do where no one is in charge but you. And here's the great thing about Tax Pro Grow. You don't need to have a tax license. You don't need to have tax knowledge. You don't need to have a degree. You don't need anything but a willingness to learn. And I break down all the steps through my system and process. I literally take my 25 years of experience, all the mistakes I made, all the lessons I've learned, and I packaged it up in a system and process that is foolproof, that you will be able to utilize and start making money. I literally guarantee it. I am going to invite you to join me on this journey of Tax Pro Grow, because I want you to start making an endless amount of money, and I want you to be in control of your destiny. If you are interested in starting now, I want you to click on the link. And when you do, you're going to learn everything that you need to know. You're going to learn how to offer the service. You're going to learn how to sell a client. You're going to learn how to do marketing. And here's the other great thing. You will even get leads, because we offer that too. People that are willing to pay you for the service that you're going to easily be able to offer, because the value is going to be there. So if you need some extra cash, you want to make an endless amount of money, or you just thinking, maybe you just want to do something different, click on that link and join me for the Tax Pro Grow program. I guarantee you, you'll be thanking me for doing so.